Good evening, everyone. I wanted to give everybody a quick update on what's happening. So earlier today, I went to Red Lake, and I was going to fire off the K&S motor. Well, a few things happened. One of them was the rocket failed to ignite, which was due to a fire wire that was just a little too long, so the resistance was a little too high. So we had a failed ignition, and then on the second try, right before I took a picture, the wind gusted and knocked the dang thing over. So we have next year to look forward to for another rocket attempt. But in the meantime, we got this bad boy to play with. So it's time to finally get around to testing out pretty much the electronics. I know it's really pieced together, a bunch of glue and stuff. Well, not glue, it's epoxy. But pretty much complete. No paint job, and it doesn't have a cover on. I'm in the process of printing the cover for it. And you'll notice that there is now a brace. Now that brace is to prevent the arms and the wheels from going farther apart and snapping. They go up and down just fine with the suspension, but it is, they do tend to spread, and I don't want them to break. So that's a temporary brace. It will not be flying with that. But I did find a really good pair of actual RC plane shocks that I'll be replacing, and I'm be buying, not replacing. And eventually, I will probably redo the entire suspension setup. I mean, this is cool and all to have my own, but it's a lot more fine tuning before it can actually probably take a landing or a takeoff stress. So, without further ado, let's give it a test.